In this video, I'll show you how to fix pickup code not working on Western Union. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the issue where the Western Union pickup code is not working, first open the Western Union app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your transaction history and locate the transfer you sent. Next, check the MTCN or pickup code carefully. The MTCN is the tracking number used by Western Union for cash pickups. Make sure the receiver is entering the correct number without any mistakes. Even a small error in the digits can cause the system to reject the pickup code. You should also confirm that the transfer status is marked as available for pickup. If the transfer is still processing or under review, the pickup code will not work until the transaction is fully completed. Wait until the status changes to ready for pickup before trying again. Another important step is to verify that the receiver's name matches exactly with the name on their ID. Western Union agents will only release the money if the name in the system matches the identification presented by the receiver. If the pickup code still doesn't work, ask the receiver to visit another Western Union agent location. Sometimes the issue may be related to the system at a specific location or a temporary network problem. Finally, if the problem continues, you can contact Western Union customer support. Provide them with the MTCN number and transaction details, and they can check the transfer status and help resolve the issue. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.